Hi everybody, it's Peter's Arms, GriniFlix Adventure. Welcome to another video. Today's video is about repair. Something that's been really annoying me ever since I got my Leica APO 35mm M lens. And that's to do with the filter ring here. It was loose. It was loose ever since day one when I got it about 3 years ago. Been living with it. I've been trying to work out what's the fault here. I don't know if we can see here. It's loose in there. You put the filter ring on, screw it up, and it's loose. That decal there is actually a ring that screws into the lens. That must be loose, and in becoming loose, it's made the whole filter element there loose as well. The solution is, got these off eBay, and these are lens grips. I was able to find one that is just about the right size, which can then be placed onto that ring there. And guess what? That actually moves that whole bezel within the lens there. And as I rotate that, it actually rotates close and gets rid of the loose filter ring. That's how simple it is. Not sure whether anyone's had this problem before, but now there's a video, so if you have seen it, and if you are experiencing it, then at least you know that it is a simple fix. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If it's the first time to my video, you haven't already subscribed, then press subscribe. You'll be notified when the next video is out. Thanks again for watching. Bye.